Alrighty guys, so here we are working out this problem. If you're here, you got it wrong. So Miss Othold spends $14.20 on school supplies. She sells them to her fellow teachers for $2 each to make a profit. Miss Othold needs a maximum of $24. Write and solve an inequality that goes with this situation. So I'm going to pull out my notes from, what is it, that we did the other day. Yours, virtual guys, it should look different than mine, but you still have the same things. So here I underlined the word maximum. And when you look at your notes, I can see maximum is here, and that's actually the greater than or equal to symbol. So I'm going to write it right above that. Now, you also want to think of it as another way, like I need a maximum of something, or let me think of it a different way. I can spend maximum $24. I can spend exactly, but I can't spend more than, okay? So here, Miss Othold, she needs a maximum of $24, but she doesn't need more than that. She could have less than that, but she needs that less than or equal to, okay? Then it says Miss Othold spends $14.20 on school supplies. That's a negative, okay? So that means that's a negative 14.20. And then she sells them to her fellow teachers for $2 each to make a profit. When you're making a profit, you're earning money, so that's a positive 2. And that each is where my x is going to go. So right now my equation is kind of written out for me as I'm going through this. Right now it's negative 14.20 plus 2x less than or equal to 24. Now when you're doing this too, you might have it written this way, and they could write it the other way. And that's still the right answer, okay? Now what I'm going to do real quick after doing this is I'm going to solve this. So I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to add 14.20 to both sides. Remember to line up your decimals. You're going to have a lot of decimals on your test, and if you don't know how to do that, you're going to be struggling. 0, borrow from the 4, that gets me 3. That's 10 minus 2. Oh, why am I subtracting? I should be adding. That happens. Let me come over here and rework it out. So 2x minus 14.20 less than or equal to 24. Draw my line. I'm going to add that 14.20 to both sides, or 14.2. 0 plus 2 gets me 2. 4 plus 4 gets me 8. 2 plus 1 gets me 38.2. Bring down my 2x and my symbol. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide the 2 to both sides. That gets me x. I do not flip my symbol because that 2 is a positive. Now I'm going to come over here and put that 38.2 in the house. And I'm going to divide it by 2. Now 2 can go into 3 one time. Bring down the 18. 2 can go into 18 9 times. Bring down my 2. And 2 can go into 2 one time. Make sure to put your decimal. And my answer is 19.1. And that's your answer.